How to comment on cell in Google Sheet. Need to ask questions, suggestions, or change or leave a note without sending a separate message? Commenting directly on cell in Google Sheet keeps your feedback right where it's needed, making collaboration smooth, fast, and way more organized. Let's explore how to make your voice heard right inside the sheet. Open the sheets you want. There, simply tap on a particular sheet, hold it for a while. There you can see at the top a message icon which is known as comment on cell. So if you simply tap on it, and over here you can see a plus comment icon, add a new comment and whatever comment you want to write, enter it. Like this, you can add a comment on Google Sheet easily.